My favorite part about this playpen is that it is so customizable. You can really have a lot of fun creating different little spaces for your animal to enjoy. And this is great for more than just cats. This would also work for a bunny or a gerbil, hamsters, ferrets, pretty much any small pet. So everything you see here comes with it, but of course you can add your own things. You could put in food and water bowls or a litter box. You could put in a scratching post and make it really cozy for your animal. This playpen is perfect for creating a space where your animal is going to feel safe. It comes with the instructions that'll walk you through how to put it together, as well as a list of everything that is included in the box. It comes with a bunch of these metal frames, which makes up a bulk of the pen, but there are also a variety of different options that you can use throughout the cage to make different sections for your animal. I'm pretty sure that these plastic sections are meant to use for the floor, but I chose to leave the floor with soft carpet so that my cat can still lay on the ground, and then I used two plastic ones to create kind of a shelf where she can sleep and hang out. I also love that it comes with this little hanging bed that she can hang out in. You use these plastic corners to connect everything, and they provide this little hammer, which is handy for getting those pieces into place. Then you can further secure it with a bunch of zip ties. I love that they included these little ramps that you can use to help your cat get to different levels. And one of the metal pieces even has this door that you can use as an entrance. And there's a little metal piece that you can use to keep that closed. I found the corner connectors very easy to put on and take off. And this whole thing took me about 30 minutes to put together. I thought that this could also come in handy for anyone that has to move. So you could create a safe space for your animal and make sure that they're securely tucked away somewhere with everything that they need and out of the way of all of the moving. But of course, it's really great for everyday use as well.